one unheard message. First unheard message.
Hello, hunters. This is your final message. I trust that you're all aware of the value this item holds. Now that you have accepted the terms of the agreement, you will be sent the final coordinates of the packages. That's right. There are actually 2 packages. I figure this will make things a bit more interesting, don't you think? And remember, 1 device, 1 winner. Good luck.
Listen to the message, did you? It said, 1 device, 1 win. You know, there's this funny little theory about the Mobius. It's a twist in the fabric of space where time becomes a loop, and unfortunately for you, you're just stuck in one of those times.
What are you talking about? A twist in... What are you doing? You're
Someone else will find it.
No.
Time's up.
No! Okay. No. Just gotta get out of here. It's fine.
Device. Hand it over.
Please don't shoot.
Give me the case.
Look, it's gonna sound crazy. This thing, it's special, okay? I don't know what it does, but...
Oh, I know. I just get the distinct impression that you haven't done this before.
I know this is worth a lot of money. And, you know, a second ago, I thought that's what I wanted. But this could help me.
I don't have time for this.
Hold on. There's 2 of them. You know, what if I help you find the other one?
You did not listen to the message, did you? It said, 1 device, 1 winner.
I don't know what happened, but 1 minute you were here, and then you weren't.
You know, there's this
and now...
funny little theory about the Mobius. It's a twist in the fabric of space where time becomes a loop, and unfortunately for you, you're just stuck in one of those times.
What are you talking about? Wait, a twist in... What are you doing? If you leave it here, someone
else will find it.
Oh my God. Wait, no. No.
Time's up.
No!